Hello, today I will show you how we visualize a layer in QGIS. First imports our data. Here we have three layers, deep well layers, lineament data, and geological data layer. It starts with lineament, so I deselect deep well and geological. What's left here, what is displayed on display window is lineament map. So right click on lineament map property. The color of lineament map here is light green, so we can change it to another colors. We change to blue color, so the color is changed to blue. So the color of what's lineament is what's changed to blue. Let's do for another one for deep layer, deep well layer. Right click property. Here we can change the unit, we can change the transparency, color, size, rotation, and also we can change the symbol. Let's change the color to red. Apply, so the symbol is deep well is symbolized by what's red color. And we can also change symbol type or symbol group. We have different types of symbol group. Let us change to pentagon. Apply, so we can see pentagon, or we can change to star and apply. So we can see that. Let us look at the attribute table of what deep well. To look at the attribute table of deep well, right click here, then open attribute table. And here in attribute table you can see water points, refer to the point data, location of points, Macheta, Sororo, something like region, UTM north, UTM east, elevation, depths of water, and so on. Right click property, so can change this single symbol to categorized, or we can use graduate. So let us use graduates, and depths is used here, and classify. So we have what 1 2 3 4 5 class of what water depths data, and apply. Let's change this color to this one. Apply. Yeah. So we have this data. Then let's look at geological map. Right click property. Geological map is what's symbolized by one only single symbol. That means say first the geology of the area is one, but it's not true. So we have to categorize our geology using the name of geology or full name of geology. Let us use full name of geology to categorize it, then classify there. So you can see the legend, different types of geological formation there: Adigrat formation, FR series, Ambar Radon formation, Dicho formation, or Amalinya formation, Randa formation. Applied. When you apply it, you can see here different colors per geology. Adigrat formation here, Adigrat formation around here. You can see also lower Himalayan formation here. This one is lower Himalayan formation, and that is one refers to what upper Himalayan formation. Actually, you can use identify feature to know each feature. So, see, the full name is also written here. Upper Hamad information. This one is what? Lower Hamad information.